Koramga juang mane chal paundeke mano ma Mombasa kabende na nyisi ni wagoyo tach paundeke amoko ka bende ang nwa duogi sigano kwa se koreyo makare bende ang nwa menye paundeke makisumu kachiel gi mano ma Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kwa dio chamo konya koramga juang wangyo mago mag somo kama seneta ma ogol Rafael Chimera dwaro mondo gol wachiwo hola mar basari elwet josiasa kendo kete elwet piny owacho mamalo mondo mi oneni jopuonjre mochando oyudo kony madwarore. Chimera wacho ni kwan omenda ma josiasa yudo mag basari inyal tigo do dino rode mag siro som jopuonjre mokalo migao mar somo. Nyaka sani chenro mag basari ichwalo kod apis jatend piny Jod Bura, governors kachiel kod MCAs makanyakla gin bilionde mag omenda modhuro. Owacho ni kete elwet josiasa miyo chwalo omenda makamano bedo mano mar siasa.
Many students fall below that threshold. What happened to that guy who got 349, 320, 300 and has an admission to a certain school? That tells you already automatically cut off. So it doesn't benefit everyone. It is not universal. As opposed to putting money to schools directly and tell people, can you just access education universally? And even the way the whole process is being run, you know, you have 50 million as an MP. You advertise, you give out forms, basari forms to many people. Not all will get that basari program. Giving a form, filling the form, and actual getting that basari is a different story altogether. So we know it doesn't happen. So it's all about balancing. We are not collapsing MGCDF altogether, but we're just moving these funds that are going towards education into making sure education becomes universally free and accessible to everyone.